Okay, this is the Word Module 7, case problem number 1. Okay, first of all, let's save the 7-8 file. So go to click 7-8 and then copy and paste it in your working folder. Then save the file as picnic. Save it as a picnic. Then open it. Okay, now number 2, change the username, change the student name with your name. Okay, now delete this placeholder. Okay, show the paragraph symbol. Make sure not to select this paragraph symbol. So select this placeholder and then delete it. And then we will insert a worksheet at this area. Alright, and then open Excel file 7-9. Open 7-9. So open 7-9 is this one. So why don't we just copy this one? Copy this file 7-9 under your working folder and then rename it. Rename it as picnic budget. Okay, picnic budget. And open this Excel file. Open the picnic budget Excel file. And then we will select starting from cell A, row 6, all the way up to cell B to 10. So select this one, starting from item to 1200, and then Control C or right click, copy. So we will copy this cell into the clipboard. Okay, now go back to the document. Okay, and then right now here we will insert that the copy data as a linked object. So go to the paste arrow, paste special. So linked object. So click the paste link, and this is an Excel worksheet object. Click OK. So this one is a link to the Excel file. Okay. And now save the Word document and then return to the budget Excel and then save it and then close it. Actually, you don't have to save this one, but that's okay. Close the Excel file. Okay, number 8. Okay, now from here we want to change this 305,000. So double click this, then it will open the Excel file because this one is connected to this file. So click 3,500 cell and change it to 3250. You don't have to type $sign. The $sign will automatically insert it. Okay, and then save this file, close. So, but still, this is 3,500, so we need to update this field. So right click on this chart, and then click Update Link menu. Then it will bring up this data. Okay. Wait a minute. Update, yes. So click Save it. So save this document, and then finally save this file as, so before you go to save as, click Info tab, Info. Then can you see here is Edit Link to File, right? So this file has a link to an Excel. So anyway, we're gonna save this file as, go to navigate to your working folder, and then the file name will be picnic, no links. Alright. And then we will disable the link. So go to the File tab, Info menu, and then here, Edit Links to File. So we will disable this one. So this link will be disabled, so break the link. Alright. So this is no longer link to the Excel file. Okay, and then click this one. Then you will see this format tab. And from this format tab, can we change it to a different one? Okay, so for this one, we don't have this table color as we click this. So let's skip this part. And then if necessary, change your first and last name, the username. So you can change the username from here. Go to the File tab and then Options at the bottom. Then make sure username and initial is yours. If you are using your friend's PC or someone else's PC, make sure you change this one. And then once you work on this, change this one to the original name. Alright, so now we will go to the Review tab. Review tab, we will enable the tracking changes. Enable, so click this one, this button. So this is enabled. So whenever we make changes, we will see those changes displayed on the screen. Okay, at the beginning of the letter, here's the replace this one, replace this. So make sure to select okay, make sure to select only without the paragraph. Okay, let's start from here. Without the paragraph symbol. Okay, so we will change this one. So insert, go to the insert date, and then we want to use March 1st. So March 1st, this one. Okay. Insert inside the address, change lane to avenue. At the end of the paragraph that begins next week. Okay, here. Add the sentence. In the meantime, please call if you have any questions. Right, then save it. Okay, now save your document as picnic no links. Okay, so save this file and then save it. Save the file as picnic changes accepted. So save it as, and then navigate to your working folder. The file name is picnic changes accepted. Okay, so we're gonna accept all the changes and then turn off the track changes. So go click in the review tab, click tracking arrow and then click track changes so that we can disable these track changes. Okay, then reject replacement avenue for lane. Okay, we will reject. Okay, so reject this lane, so reject the deletion. And then also we have to reject this one, reject insertion, right? So lane stays here. Then accept all the other changes. Accept arrow, accept all changes. All right. And then disable this show height. Okay, return to the username. Okay, if you changed your username, file tab and then options. If you have changed this one to yours, then make sure to return to the original name that belongs to the PC's owner. Okay, and then save the file. Close. Okay, save it and then close. Okay, next. Okay, create a new blog post. Blog post, so click the File tab, New, and then select, okay, we already have blog post, but if you don't have it, search for blog post, and then double click to create this blog post file. And then do not register, so register later, and then insert. Okay, we're gonna type this one. So invitation tips from streamers celebrations LLC as the post title, and then type the following. That is, you can use Word 3D models to add a little excitement to your event. Here is just one example. Alright, and then after this we will insert a 3D model. Okay, so when we click the insert tab, we're supposed to have 3D model somewhere here, but I don't have it because maybe this is Windows 2016. So since we don't have a 3D model, why don't we just add anything like a word art, select anything, something like this. Okay, so 3D model, insert the 3D model, anything you want, and then I will change this one to my name like this, and then save it. So save this file as what's file name? This one. The file name is invitations blog. So go to your student data files folder. Okay, the file name is invitations blog. Alright, and then close. So we are done for the case number 1 practice.